Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your signature on the Outlook application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Outlook application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into your inbox if you have already logged into your account. If you have not logged into your account, then you will simply need to log in first. After logging in, you can tap on your account icon at the top left corner, and from this page, tap on the settings option at the bottom left. This will now take you into the settings menu. From the settings menu, scroll down and you will find the signature option underneath your email option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be able to set up your signature. If you have multiple accounts set up, you can also tap on per account signature and you will be able to edit the signature for multiple accounts at once. Now, in order to edit, simply tap on your current signature and then you can enter whatever you wish. After typing in your preferred signature, you can simply tap on the tick mark at the top right corner and your signature will be set up right away. If you wish to make any changes, you can always tap on your current signature and then use the various editing options at the bottom section. You can also use an image of your actual signature by tapping on the picture icon alongside the font menu. Then you can simply use any image or your actual signature to be included within your email. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix and edit your signature on the Outlook or Hotmail application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.